Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. Today, I want to share a real-life story about resilience. A time in my life when everything was falling apart. It was the hardest year of my life, but I survived. If you are learning English, this story will help you practice listening, learn natural expressions, and grow your vocabulary in a fun and real way. So sit back, relax, and let's get into the story. In 2020, my life changed completely. At the start of the year, I had a good job, some savings, and big dreams. But then, things started to fall apart, one by one. First, I lost my job due to company downsizing. I thought it was just temporary. But months passed and nothing changed. Then, my small side business also started to fail. People were not buying like before. I was running out of money fast. I remember sitting in my room one night, staring at the ceiling thinking, how did I get here? That year I faced more rejection, silence, and disappointment than ever before. I hit rock bottom emotionally and financially. I felt lost, confused, and ashamed. I didn't want to talk to anyone. I was scared. But one day, something changed. I was watching a video and the speaker said, "You don't have to fix everything at once. Just take one small step." That line stayed with me. So the next morning, I woke up early, cleaned my room, wrote in my journal, and made a plan. Just a small plan for the day. That was my first step. Every day I did something small. I read a book. I learned a new skill online. I talked to someone I trusted. And I applied for jobs again. Slowly I started feeling stronger. Life didn't suddenly become perfect. But I was no longer stuck. I was moving forward. By the end of that year, I had started a new career path and felt more confident than ever. The lesson I learned is this: you don't need to have everything figured out. You just need to take one small step, and then another, even if life feels hard, even if you feel like giving up. Don't. You are stronger than you think. You are not alone. Sometimes the hardest years are the ones that shape us the most. Vocabulary highlight. Here are some useful words and phrases from the story. Fall apart means to break down emotionally or lose control. Things started to fall apart. Hit rock bottom. This means to reach the lowest possible point in your life. I hit rock bottom emotionally and financially. Staring at the ceiling means to lie awake thinking or worrying. I was staring at the ceiling thinking. One small step. This means taking a tiny action toward a goal. Just take one small step. Move forward means to make progress in life. I was moving forward. Now it's your turn. Can you write a sentence using this expression, hit rock bottom? Or share a time when you took one small step to move forward. Write it in the comments. I'll read and reply. Thanks for listening to my story today. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more real English stories every week. See you in the next one. Bye for now.